After an unarmed African American. Let's turn now to our NBC News.
So many things are actually happening in the world, you know, that are just really tiring on the mind, and you just have to escape sometimes and just release whatever is actually on your mind. And somehow music for me is that escape. It's amazing how you could be having such a horrible day, but just playing one song that you really enjoy just changes your mood. With so much music being out there, it's really hard actually to have all your music in one place, but I don't know how they do it, but Kanji Sounds manages to do that for me, and I appreciate that.